Salam doston, hi there friends, welcome to Learning Tajik with Achilovs. My name is Hussein. In this class we'll talk about a daily routine and we'll start from the moment when you wake up until the moment when you go to bed. So as usual, we'll first learn some common vocabulary words and then we'll talk about some questions that you might get asked or maybe you'll ask other people. And last, we'll talk, I will read a text about the daily routine. So this time around, there is no dialogue. I'll just read the text. Wake up. Wake up in Tajik, bedor shudan. Bedor shudan. And get up when you actually get out of the bed, is az khob khestan. Next, wash face. Wash face will be shustani roy. Shustani roy. And roy at the end, y and r itself, they are the same. So roy and r. Next one, brush teeth. Brush teeth will be shustani dandon. Shustani dandon. And dandon here we use in a singular form. We don't say dandon ho like teeth. We just say tooth. It's okay. Shustani dandon. Get dressed. Get dressed will be libos pushidan. Libos pushidan. Next, exercise or do exercise. In Tajik, mashq kardan. Okay, mashq kardan. And take a shower will be obozi kardan. Obozi kardan. And there's another way that is quite common, dush kardan. Dush is from Russian, so we use 50-50, Russian and Tajik together, dush kardan. Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast will be nahori kardan. Nahori kardan. And brush hair will be shona kardani muy. Shona kardani muy. Just like with rui, the face, the same, you can also say mu without y. So mu, muy, they are the same. Next, go to university. Ba donishgoh raftan. Ba donishgoh raftan. And go to work will be ba kor raftan. Ba kor raftan. Go home. Ba khona bargashtan. You can also say ba khona raftan, but if you say bargashtan, it's like come back. Ba khona bargashtan. Watch TV. Tamosho kardani televizor. Tamosho kardani televizor. Do homework. Ijro kardani vazifai khonagi. Ijro kardani vazifai khonagi. Homework itself is vazifai khonagi. So that's why it's quite long. Ijro kardani vazifai khonagi. And the last one, go to sleep, will be khob raftan. Khob raftan, or another one, khobidan. But khobidan is not that common yet. Khob raftan is more common. Alright, the question. So, what time do you get up? شما ساعتی چند بیدار میشوید؟ شما ساعتی چند بیدار میشوید؟ Next, do you exercise? شما مشق میکنید؟ شما مشق میکنید؟ Or if it's your friend or maybe your sibling, you can also say تو مشق میکنی؟ تو مشق میکنی؟ What time do you go to work? شما ساعتی چند به کار میروید؟ شما ساعتی چند به کار میروید؟ What time do you get off work? شما ساعتی چند از کار میبرید؟ شما ساعتی چند از کار میبرید؟ What do you do in the evening? شما بیگاه چی کار میکنید؟ شما بیگاه چی کار میکنید؟ Now it's time to read the text. So on the left side you will see the text in English and on the right side the same text but in Tajik. So I'll read only the Tajik version and you can pause this video and read the English one first and then continue watching. سلام، اجازه دهید به شما درباره رژه هر روزه خود نقل کنم. من هر روز ساعت 5 از خواب میخیزم، بعد دندانم را میشویم. پس مشق میکنم، سپس آبازی میکنم و نهاری میکنم. ساعت 7:30 به کار میروم و ساعت 8 کار را آغاز میکنم. ساعت 12 خوراک نصف روزی میخورم و ساعت 5 کار را تمام میکنم. در یک هفته یک یا دو مرتبه با دوستانم وا میخورم. عادتاً ساعت 10 خواب میروم. این از ترتیب روزی من. So this text is a little bit formal, especially the structure, But if you use the same sentences with Tajiks, they will be able to understand you without any problems. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, you can find the link to the PDF file of this class in the description box, and we included some exercises that you can do by yourself. So take care and see you guys in the next video. Khair.